Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. Sorry, we are having trouble signing you in right now. Please try again later. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type ncpa.cpl. Press enter. Now you just need to right click on the internet you are using it. In my case I am using Ethernet. Right click on it and select properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and select the properties. Now you just need to select use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS server you just need to type 1111 and alternative DNS server you just need to type 1001. Click on OK and you just need to scroll down guys. You just need to select the internet protocol version 6 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and now you just need to check my video description for this preferred DNS server and alternative DNS servers. You just need to copy and paste it one by one. After pasting it, click on OK. Now close it off here. Close it off here as well. Now you just need to type in cmd ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Press enter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to open up a right client and try to sign in and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to right click on the right client and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator. Check mark it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now try to sign in to right client and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to click on this system tray icon and right click on the right client and select exit guys. If you have right Vanguard, you just need to do the same thing guys. Exit. After doing this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now in here you just need to search for right games folder. Right click on it and select delete it guys. Now after deleting this folder you just need to close it up here. Go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, try to sign in to right client and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the final solution guys. You just need to open up Google, search for right client login and click on the right games official site. Now type in your username and password. After typing the Google verification, click on this arrow icon. After logging to your account, you just need to minimize this window and now open the right client. You just need to make sure the Google Chrome is not closed. Just backside the Google Chrome is signed in to the right games. After that, open the right games. Now type the username, type the password and log into your account. After typing the Google verification, click on next and hopefully at this point your problem has been resolved guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.